How to remove your Instagram account from another device. If you've logged in on a device you no longer have access to, or just want to ensure your account security, I'm here to guide you through the process. So let's get started. Here's how you can remove your Instagram account from another device. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the three horizontal lines which will open the settings menu. Now tap on Account Center, which will take you to the new page. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. After you've gone to Security Check, here you can find where you're logged in. Tap on it. So as you can see, these are the devices where my account has been logged in. So if you can see any account that you don't recognize, simply tap on it and click on Select Devices to log out, and simply tap on it and click on Log Out. And that's all there is to it. By following this step, you can remove your Instagram account from any device you no longer use or want to disconnect from.